Struggling to catch your breath? This simple exercise can help you breathe easier. Diaphragmatic breathing exercises help you breathe better, reduce fatigue, and improve oxygen delivery, especially if you have COPD or other lung conditions. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Start with lying flat on your back comfortably with your legs slightly bent. And, as you practice more, you can try this exercise when sitting upright in a chair. Place one hand on your chest, the other on top of your belly. Inhale slowly through your nose. Feel your belly rise while your chest stays still. Hold your breath for 2 to 3 seconds. Exhale slowly through pursed lips. End by feeling your belly fall as you push out the air. Repeat this process up to 10 breaths, performing this routine several times each day. It's that simple. So how could this breathing exercise really help benefit you? It strengthens your diaphragm muscles, provides oxygen to reduce shortness of breath, and pushes the stale air out of your lungs, all while helping calm you down when stressed or during flare-ups. It's truly a game changer for improving your breathing. Perform diaphragmatic breathing exercises after taking your medications, before going to sleep at night, or during TV breaks. Also, it may help to set a reminder on your phone. Be consistent, and your lungs will thank you. Like and share this video with a friend or loved one to help them breathe easier. Be sure to follow us for more lung health tips. Breathe easier, sleep well, and live better with RespiVida.